up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. So today's video, I am going to be taking out my hair. Today is September 6th, and I've had these in since July 14th. If you have not seen my recent video on me doing my faux locks, go ahead and check it out. It has literally been almost 2 months since I've had this in. It has been since June 15th, so almost 3 months since I haven't washed my hair. This part is still a little bit tight, but I know in the back it's been pulling. So I think I got some sort of growth, but your girl is excited to take these out because they are so long and they're heavy. And the more my hair grows out, the more it's tugging at my scalp, which is not good. I have no idea what I'm gonna do to my hair next. I think I'm gonna let it breathe, given that I haven't had my hair out since June. People always ask me how to take out faux locks because it's constantly wrapping. And really all it is, you just cut it and that's it. You just cut it and try to pull the hair that's wrapping the braid or whatever you have as a base. And I mean, I doubt my hair is like all the way down here, but just so that you can see how far you can go with cutting it. I want to talk about how this hair made me feel in the beginning. When I first did it, it wasn't that bad. It was just really tight. And then probably like a day or 2 days later, my scalp started to itch, and I believe it was the hair itself. Cuban twist braiding hair. I've never used that like directly to my scalp. I've always put it in like a bun or something. Like I take the excess hair and I'll wrap it into a bun, so it's not necessarily touching my scalp. But this hair, it had my scalp itching really bad. And then as it got older, it didn't really like bother me as much. But then now it's starting to itch a lot. So I feel like on top of me not washing my hair for like 3 months and having this hair that itch really bad and having it in almost 2 months, yeah, it's time for me to take it out. I'm surprised my scalp is not red. This is time consuming, putting it in and taking it out, because 1, the hair is wrapped. 2, you got plaits under it, and then just trying to separate it. It's a lot. It's a lot. I had to get a bag just so that I can put all my excess hair into the bag. And if you have been watching me for quite a while, you've noticed that I normally record in my bathroom, but I am currently in my room, and which is so much better because I got so much more space. My room was a complete mess. I had to clean that. I mean, given that you guys not really gonna see it, it wasn't enough space for me to like work. When my scalp was itching, I would spray my scalp with warm water, and I would take my oil and I'll heat it up for like 30 seconds. I don't remember, don't quote me. I'll just put it on my scalp, and it helped for the most part. And then I know when I go to sleep and I tie my hair down, I'll drench my scalp with water so that way it holds the moisture when I tie it down. And then when I wake up in the morning, it isn't as bad. Even when I add the oil and water, I'll go like this, just rubbing my scalp, just circulating the blood in my scalp because of how tight it was in the beginning. And then especially because it's so long, they're so long, it was kind of hard not trying to scratch my scalp, because I'll get the comb and I'll try to go in between and scratch it, But I know as it got closer to me getting ready to take it out, I was just like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and... But do you see this white stuff? All that. This is really product. That's product. Because when my hair started to frizz out, I would slick it down with my As I Am smoothing gel, and just so that it can look a little bit neater. And this is all the oil that I'll drench all the way down, and then I'll put water. Like, I was literally trying to hold moisture in my scalp. So this is buildup, which is a no-no. No buildup. It's not okay. I know. 3 months after not washing my hair. Ooh, my hair is long, girl. Can't tell me nothing, but look at all that stuff. Ew, oh my God. That is not okay. Ew. I've never, in all my time of wearing protective styles, I've never accumulated this much buildup. Oh my God. When I wash my hair in sections, and given that my hair is already parted and into bigger sections, it makes it a lot easier. One down, so many more to go. Comment down below how long you have kept your faux locks in, or any protective style, and how bad was the buildup and how much new growth. Like, was it an inch? This to me looks like an inch, right? An inch is this, right? I don't know. I'm just taking a wild guess. So starting from this nastiness, which is right there, I grew this much hair in almost 2 months. So that's lit. That's lit. I have bad sense of smell, so I can't even tell if my hair stinks or not. And I want to eat my... You got stuff in your chin. Ew. Alright. So you guys, my boyfriend is going to smell my hair, given that I have bad sense of smell, and he's going to tell me whether it stinks or not. So I have not washed my hair in almost 3 months.
You can tell it stinks.
Look at
all the stuff at the top.
I know.
Like, gook.
I know, it's really, really bad. You ready?
That thing need to get washed.
It's that bad?
You know, like when you wet a towel and you let it sit out.
That's what it smells like?
It ain't bad, but when you get closer to it, it get worse.
You can tell.
Then just looking at it, you can tell you done had that in for a minute.
Yeah, I know. You trying to make them things go in my eye. Y'all get to only see half of him. That's it. So we have a channel. Go ahead and check out all the wonderful things that we have done over there. Challenges, mukbangs, Q&As. Did we do a Q&A? No, ain't nobody asked us no questions. But yeah, he's just here to smell my hair and let you guys know what it smells like. It's not that bad.
Funky. Let's get funky.
Close your door.
Close your door.
You already did that.
And that light ain't as bright, so.
Well, that's what you need. It's a light.
Suzanne.
I need the bright light.
That's mine though.
But I need a bright light.
I don't care. You have this.
Okay, but it's
Turn
not
that
good.
shit up.
It is up. It's all the way up.
Well, that's not my problem.
Close my door. What is with you and this finger thing? Look. Babe.
Nope.
Close your door. You so angry.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to.
So I am officially back from taking out every bit of my hair. This is all of it. right here, and it's so heavy. Like, look at it, it's so heavy. So much hair. You would think it's clothes in here, but this is how much hair was in my head. This is the Cuban twist hair that I use. I want to say expression braiding hair. I think that's what I got. That's what I always get. That was in my hair. I don't remember how many packs, but like I said, you can check out my recent videos on when I did my faux locks, as well as I did my jumbo braids. All those links will be down in the description below. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. But first, I want to point out that there is one section of my hair where there is weave and it's stuck for some reason. And given that it was in my hair for so long, this part is hard. Like, I've noticed that the roots of my hair is very, very hard. So yes, yes indeed, my hair has locked at the root in some sections, which is very upsetting because this is going to be a longer wash process for me. I think I'm going to be washing my hair all night. Right now it is 10:10. I started taking out my hair at, let me see, because I did text my best friend. Well, she texted me at that time. So this was around 7. I started to take out my hair.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to.
I can't pull it apart, and I'm scared to pull it apart. Do not keep your faux locks in for no more than a month. I have a video on my channel where I show you step by step on how I wash my hair. Okay, so I just want to point out this Cantu shea butter apple cider vinegar root rinse with tea tree oil. I had this for quite some time, and it wasn't for my hair originally, it was for my boyfriend's hair. He has locks and his scalp has like a lot of dandruff, I want to say. So I felt like this could help, but you don't want to use it too often. It made my scalp very tingly. I really didn't like that feeling, but I assume that's what it's supposed to do because the apple cider vinegar is very strong and bubbly and stuff. I just want to put it on here just to make the residue and the buildup a lot easier for me to pull out. Slowly try to bring some of the residue down. As you can see, it's slowly coming up. Look at that, all that coming out. All of that is coming out. Then I add a little bit of water. See, all of that. I don't want to wet the ends because it's just gonna create a big mess. Look at my gray hairs. Yep, my gray hair. I know you guys can see it now. Look at that. Embrace it. Embrace the silver. This is why I like doing voiceovers, because my energy level when I'm watching myself actually completing a task, it's very exciting to me, and I speak on it a lot more than I'm actually recording. Like, it's a lot harder because my energy level went down from taking out all of this hair and then having to comb this one little section. Like, my energy is just very mellow. Let me go ahead and twist. And if you just go back and watch some of my recent videos, you can see me twist this same section over and over. I do the same thing, and you can kind of see the growth. Like, here. I don't think it ever got this far. So that's one section done. So now I'm just, I'm sorry. I sprayed him with the water. So now
So what happens when you trying to help niggas?
So basically, I'm just continuing my process with my root rinse. I got 3 in so far. You know, freshly washed in a way. Still got shampoo in it.
Okay, so
can they see it?
Yeah, they
Look how long it is, you guys.
So once you get all that done, what you gonna do? Wash it out? Wash it all out?
Yeah. So far, my scalp has not been itching as much. Like the parts that I applied the root rinse, but
bro, it looks a lot thicker.
Yeah.
So yeah, I you know, I came in, had to come.
The camera zoomed all in your face.
I had to come, you know.
Be my cameraman.
Be the cameraman real quick, you know. Ask some interview questions and whatnot. So.
Always gotta be about some shit.
Yeah. Hey, if I'm gonna be in here helping, I'm gonna have to deal with all that's come with it.
You see the dirty hair and the clean hair. It's amazing what water does. Like, look how thick that is, and then look, thick. I don't know what to call it.
After she wash it, we will be back.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
Right about an hour. I know you take forever in a day with your hair.
I know.
Especially when you record.
Especially when I take out a style. So.
I gotta wash my hair tomorrow.
I gotta wash your hair because you don't wash it good. He does not wash his hair good at all, you guys.
I really don't.
He will still have shampoo in there. And he be getting on me about putting too much shampoo, and it still be in there when he try to wash it out. When you do the same thing.
Let you talk about it.
We can talk all about you on our channel, so go ahead and subscribe to us.
Yeah, you already know. Suzie and Dale.
So I have officially washed my hair. It is September 7th. It is 7:48. So all day I have been doing hair. Shrinkage is real, people. So today's lucky product is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. If you do not know this product, then you're asleep. I used this like way back when natural was like a thing, like everybody wanted to jump on that, and open this up. And you know it's crazy, I got this from my best friend's sister. Now, I don't want to get into that fully, but my best friend's sister she's natural as well, and she loves to buy natural hair products and try them. So she has you know what? You just. This is what it looks like. It's very thick. Like, look at that. It's so thick. And this is the final look. Well, it's not a look, but it is a look. This needs to sit overnight. I think I'm gonna wear it out in an afro. That's usually my go-to. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment your best part of this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for post notifications for whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified right away. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you guys. Oh my god. My hair. It's so cute. It's so long. Inches. 4 days. For what? 4 days. Can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.